discontent detox toolkit. This toolkit right here, it was actually one of the latest toolkits I actually created because one of my clients actually was talking to me and she basically could not put a finger on why, her business was going good, her family's good, she's healthy, everything is going how she wanted, but she just still wasn't happy. And that right there is called discontent. I know that because I was discontent at one point. Like I said in other webinars, I did heat pressing. I used to do team orders. I was I was paid, like, right. I had so many customers, graphic designer, t-shirts, socks, jerseys, team orders, all that, custom sleeves, custom straps, headbands. Like I'm making swimsuits, I'm making shoes. I was able to sublimate the material and paste it in with glue and put it on. Like I'm doing all this stuff and I still wasn't happy. Right. I was making money and I still wasn't happy. So I was like, so I got it. So that's what's like, bro, it's a lot of people that feel like they're ungrateful because they're not happy with what they have. It's a lot of people that are settling in life and feel like, oh, because this person doesn't have it, it means that you should be grateful and you shouldn't want more. And that's not true. That is not true, baby. You can be grateful, but you can still want more. Like it's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. And then, like I said earlier, the Matacon toolkit. This toolkit is $2.22. $2.22. $2.22. $2.22. Let me stop. This toolkit is $2.22. As I said, this right here is the intro. You can get this toolkit, see if you like it, and be like, yes, I like that. And then, it'll just take you to the other toolkits. It'll take you to the other toolkits. So the Matacon toolkit, this right here, I feel like this toolkit is more so like parents and the kids, because it's like you guys can teach each other how to kind of like have that mutual respect. And when one is mad, you be able to talk to each other and be able to come to a common ground, right? Because I feel like that's what happens in a lot of relationships. It's like the parents want the respect, but they're not giving the respect, right? That's not fair. I mean, like realistically, like, and I get it. Like some parents are like, well, they gotta respect me. Nah. Okay, they're gonna respect you until they're 18, and then when they get out your house, they're not gonna respect you like that. Like this is like, why not build a relationship